Did I break it?
Still whole, still whole.
Let me see the, oh my god.
We're good, we're good.
There.
5, 4, 3, 2, let's roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Let's roll.
Yeah, woohoo! Yippee! What's up, Planet Roller Skaters? Indy-Jammajones here, and today we're with Yorely.
Hi.
You may know her from her YouTube channel or from her Instagram. She's also known as Yorely Muffin X.
Yes.
If you haven't checked out her channel, definitely go check it out. It's in Spanish, right? Which is, I know a ton of you guys are Spanish speakers. People want episodes in Spanish, and she has a lot of information about roller skates on her channel. So we'll link it below. But today, you're gonna teach us something that I've never really done before, right?
Yes. We are gonna practice some slalom skating.
Slalom!
Yes.
So what I understand slalom to be is when you have cones that are spaced evenly apart, and then you have to like weave your feet through them and do different tricks, right?
Yeah.
And I've seen there's a girl that her video went viral and she's like laying back, balancing on one toe, just like through the cones. It's crazy.
Exactly, I know. And if it is harder in inline skates, imagine on quads.
Yeah, so do many people do slalom in quads?
I haven't seen many, so it will be cool.
Slalom in
it's a good way to
quads.
practice. Yes.
Yeah, very different. All right, so first thing we need to be able to do this is the cones. And there are a couple companies that make really cute slalom cones, but today we're going to be using ice cream cones.
Yay.
That's what we have.
Yes. But these work perfectly fine.
Yeah. So how far apart do you space the cones? 80 inches?
Yes. No, 80 centimeters.
Oh, 80 centimeters.
Yeah.
Is there like a
standard?
standard? Yeah.
Yeah, like 60 centimeters.
And so they use 60 centimeters for like competition slalom?
Yeah, they use 60, 70, 80, and a meter. Cool. But it really depends on what kind of tricks are they performing, because some of them are meant to be really fast. Okay. So it really depends on the trick that they are about.
So the closer the cones are, the faster you have to go.
Yes, exactly.
Here, I'll hand you the cones and you can space them out.
Yes. So that's what I made this. This has the right measure for this. And it's we have 5.
So you just have the lace already measured and that's how you use it to space the cones?
Yeah.
Oh no!
So it's easier. No. Okay.
All right, so do you want to teach us some just really basic tricks?
Okay, this is the snake trick. We are just going to place one foot in front of the other. My lead foot, or my stronger leg, is the one that goes in the front, but you can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna use this, my left leg in front of the right, and then we have to bend our knees, and it's all about moving our hips and using the momentum of our arms like this. So go like this, move your arms, and you have to really move your hips.
That's fun.
Our knees, hips, arms. There.
Cool. First trick complete.
Woo! So now we are going to do the same trick but going backwards. We really need to take into account which foot is going first. So when I go backwards, my right foot is the leader. So I will open my arms in this position. But if you do the left one, going backwards, then you're going to turn to the left. Okay, so what will be your lead foot?
My lead foot, I'm going to lead with this one. So I'm going to look over this shoulder because my hips are already open this way. Or, you know what? No, actually, just kidding. I like to look to my left. I'm gonna lead with my
You
left.
can try both.
I'll try
Yeah.
both. I can't decide.
So we do this position because in this way we can see the cones. If we do the other thing like this, we won't be able to really see the cones. So we open our arms.
This is a really common mistake I see all the time too, and we've talked about this before in some of the Planet Roller Skate episodes, is sometimes people have a really hard time looking backwards because their hips are open one way and they're trying to look over the other shoulder.
Yes, so the shoulder doesn't let you see the obstacles.
So this is a good tip just for backward skating in general. But okay, I want to
Okay, so we are coming, transition, and then hips, 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 like this. Did it!
Whoop, whoop.
So this one is crisscross, and it's just about like crossing your feet when you go over the cone, like this. Okay. The thing you have to remember is to bend your knees even more so you have more space for the cone. Also, when you cross your feet, just get low, and when you're about to open the position again, just lift your butt.
So down, up, while
down,
crossing.
up. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so down. Oh god! Oh god!
You can try both sides, so maybe.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Woo!
The last trick is going to be crisscross going backwards. So we have to do the same, but just remember, open your arms and bend your body even more so you will be able to see the cones like this.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Got it, got it.
Okay.
I almost took that cone out. Okay.
Yes, yes, yeah, exactly. Okay, good. Yeah.
I feel like I missed one. Oh no. That one's not easy. All right, let me try again. Maybe I think I want to look over this shoulder is the thing.
Yeah.
I need the cones to feel the actual pressure.
Yes. Yeah. Open. Yeah.
All right, those were fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the going forwards. Oh,
Yes.
is it snake?
Snake. Yes.
Snake forwards, snake backwards, crisscross forwards, crisscross backwards.
Yeah.
4 basic slalom moves.
Yeah, and there are plenty of tricks to try.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want to show us some?
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna try some of the harder tricks that Yorely does. So I'm gonna start with the, what did you call it, a wheelie?
Wheeling. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh, I actually think this
be like in front of this cone, and then just like pivot on your back wheels and go to the next one. Then you are in the front of this one, pivot like this, pivot like this.
Okay.
Yeah!
I'm cheating. I'm not actually spread.
Yeah.
Kinda.
You got the idea.
Okay, that one needs a lot of practice. You good? Well, how's? You said he already.
Another trick that you could try is the one with 1 foot.
1 foot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, I see. I really need the momentum and that rhythm to.
Yeah.
Okay, let me do it again. Okay. Core engage. Swinging.
Yeah.
Swing.
Yeah.
I've seen people do slalom before, but it never really caught my interest that much.
I know.
But then now that I'm doing it, I'm like, man, I could do this for hours.
Yeah, I mean, I live in a very rainy city and we don't have an indoor skate park or really indoor places to skate. So I started doing this in my living room with just 5 cones. And I started like learning tricks and I was like, oh, this is fun. I was just listening to music and trying to learn these things, and I thought that it was gonna be like really useful to learn all this. And they have really helped me with many tricks because I don't know, I feel like more in control of my body now.
Yeah, it's one of those things where it makes you be really precise in your movement, and you have to like develop like the fine muscles, you know. And it's perfect because we're going into winter, and I've been getting a lot of questions from people like, where do you skate in the winter? Where can I skate when it's cold and raining? So this is something that you could do in your hallway, in your living room, in your kitchen, in your driveway maybe.
Yes,
so,
just 5 cones and start practicing. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Let's do our outro and then goof around a little bit.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Planet Roller Skate. Be sure to go follow Yorely's YouTube, subscribe to her channel. Lots of awesome skate content in Spanish too.
Yeah, also.
Thank you so much for teaching us. That was a ton of fun.
Thank you so much. That's really fun. I know it doesn't look like really fun at first, but it is.
Dude, it's surprisingly like addicting. Like I feel like I could do that for a very long time.
Yeah.
And so we want to know, winter's coming up. It's the rainy season. This is something you can do inside.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we want to know, where are you guys gonna skate this winter? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit up planetrollerskate.shop for all of your roller skating needs. And until next time, later skaters!